Hey there, getting ready to sell your home? I've got 12 must-do tips to help you maximize your sale price and minimize your time on the market. Let's dive right in. First impressions matter. Curb appeal is crucial. Make sure your exterior is well maintained with tidy landscaping and perhaps a fresh coat of paint. A clean entryway can make all the difference. Next, declutter and depersonalize. Pack away personal items, family photos, and excess furniture. This helps buyers envision themselves living there. Deep cleaning is essential. A spotless home shows pride of ownership. Pay extra attention to kitchens and bathrooms. Consider hiring a professional cleaning service for that move-in ready vibe. Address any obvious repairs like leaky faucets or peeling paint. Cost-effective updates like fresh paint in neutral colors or updated cabinet hardware can offer a great return on investment. Staging your home is key. Arrange furniture to highlight each room's best features and create a sense of flow. Professional staging can make a huge impact. Maximize natural light by opening curtains and adding lamps to brighten darker areas. A bright and airy home feels more inviting. Stick to a neutral palette. Classic shades like white, beige, or gray appeal to a wider range of buyers, creating a blank canvas for them to personalize. Focus on kitchens and bathrooms. These are key selling points. Ensure they're clean, updated, and functional. Minor upgrades like new fixtures can make a big difference. Highlight storage. Organize closets and storage spaces to show off their capacity. Enhance outdoor spaces like patios and yards. Create inviting areas for relaxation and entertainment. Consider a pre-listing inspection to identify any potential issues and address them proactively. This can help avoid surprises later. Finally, price your home competitively. Work with your real estate agent to determine the optimal listing price based on recent comparable sales. There you have it. Follow these tips and you're on your way to a successful home sale. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.